Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon potato soup. First, cook about 8 ounces of bacon in a large pot or Dutch oven until it's nice and crispy. Once cooked, remove the bacon and set it aside on a paper towel-lined plate. Make sure to reserve about 2 tablespoons of that flavorful bacon fat in the pot. It's essential for our next step. Now, using the reserved bacon fat, add 1 diced onion and 2 stalks of diced celery to the pot. Sauté these vegetables over medium heat until they soften, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add 4 cups of peeled and diced potatoes to the pot, stirring them to coat with the flavorful fat and aromatics. It's time to build our soup base. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, ensuring the potatoes are mostly submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the potatoes are fork tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. For a creamy texture, mash about 1/4 of the potatoes directly in the pot. Almost done, reduce the heat to low and stir in 2 cups of milk or cream, warming it through without boiling. Season your soup generously with salt and black pepper to taste. Ladle the warm soup into bowls, then crumble the reserved crispy bacon over the top. A sprinkle of fresh chives adds a lovely finish. Enjoy your homemade bacon potato soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.